Hair gurus and new, she slaying the city. No makeup, just wake up and still giving them pretty. Hit the lights, camera, action, cause it's big as a movie. And grab a seat and now tune with Disastrous Beauty.
Your eyes tell me that you don't wanna leave just yet. No, my eyes agree. It's almost like when we first met. Oh, I don't care, it's getting too late. I want you and I can't wait. Don't wanna spend a minute without you. I know you feel the same. So come on, give me love. I'ma show you how to move with my body. Come hit me with your touch and make me wanna say, damn. And yeah, you know what's up. Ain't nothing I won't do for your body. So give me all you got right now. I know I'm yours, baby. So come give me love. You know you're mine, baby. So come give me love. I never felt nothing quite like this. I get a high every time we kiss. Can't get enough, baby. So come give me love. All of your love, I can't fake it. When I'm with you, my legs go weak. Hey, can you hear it? I think my heart just skipped a beat. Yeah. This feeling is getting so strong. Love me till the morning, love me all night long. There's something special about you. You're the one that I want. So come on, give me love. I'ma show you how to move with my body. Come hit me with your touch and make me wanna say, damn. And yeah, you know what's up. Ain't nothing I won't do for your body. So give me all you got right now. I know I'm yours, baby. So come give me love. You know you're mine, baby. So come give me love. I never felt nothing quite like this. I get a high every time we kiss. Can't get enough, baby. So come give me love. All of your love. Won't you love me till the morning? Love me in the evening. You know what I want. Won't you hold me like I'm yours? Show me that I'm yours. You know just what I want. Won't you love me like the last time? Like our time was right now. Show me what it's about. Love me till the morning. Love me in the evening. You know what I want. I know I'm yours, baby. So come give me love. You know you're mine, baby. So come give me love. I never felt nothing quite like this. I get a high every time we kiss. Can't get enough, babe. So come give me love. All of your love. Won't you love me till the morning? Love me in the evening. You know what I want. Won't you hold me like I'm yours? Show me that I'm yours. You know just what I want. Won't you love me like the last time? Like our time was right now. Show me what it's about. Love me till the morning. Love me in the evening. You know what I want. All of your love.
Okay, y'all, so I'm obviously finished styling this wig, and this is what I got. If you're interested in the details and specs and all the good stuff about this unit, then please continue to watch. Okay, y'all, so this unit was sent to me by Eayon Hair. Shout out to you, Eayon, for sending me this unit. I really do appreciate it. I also want to say shout out to Eayon for their patience. They have been really, really patient with me as far as getting this video out. So shout out to you once again, Eayon, for that. Okay, so the unit I am rocking is their Ombre 1B/30 pre-plucked Afro Kinky Curly 13x6 lace front wig. This unit is available in 14 to 20 inches. If I'm not mistaken, I do have 14 inches. It may be 16. I'm gonna have to look and see, but I think it's 14. This unit is available in 150% density and 180% density, and the cap sizes that are available is medium and small. If you have a small head, then I would recommend you guys getting the small, because I do feel like this medium is a medium to big head friendly. So just keep that in mind. So they have on here, it says texture, Afro Kinky Curly, color, Ombre 1B/30, Straps adjustable, baby hairs around the perimeter. Hairline is pre-plucked. The closure base, it says closure base middle part, but this a wig is supposed to be a 13 by 6. So I'm guessing that's just like, you know, a misprint. It says last for 1 more year, and lace is transparent lace. So I want to go ahead and show you guys that this unit is pre-tweezed, so you guys can see. It came like this, honey. Like I like to tell you guys, she woke up like this. You see my spray just kind of like all over the place, honey. That's team my bad. That's not is bad. Now this unit did come as a middle part, but you can part it wherever. I wanted to kind of do like the comb over method, which is why I didn't accentuate the part. But I didn't initially style this wig like this. I did initially do the video and I had it styled as in its natural state as a kinky curly wig. But I didn't like the braids that I had put on there. So I was like, you know what? We're going to redo this, okay? Because if I don't like something, I prefer to just go back and redo it. And I decided I wanted to brush it out and curl it. Like, you guys know sometimes I like to do that with my kinky straight wigs. But it's very rare that I do it with my kinky curly, if I've ever done it with a kinky curly. Usually if I'm going to do it, I do it with my kinky straight or I do it with my deep wave. But I don't think I've ever done it with the kinky curly. So I thought it would be like a nice, you know, a different sort of vibe. And it shows you guys the versatility of this wig. So that's why I did that. Now this comb does come like with the little glueless band. It is detachable. Now I'm not sure, I don't see anything on the site that says that, but mine did, so I kind of wanted to throw that out there so you guys would know and are aware of it. And yeah, that is pretty much it. Let me look and see what length this is. Okay, so I was wrong. The one that I am wearing is 18 inches, child. I'm just telling you guys whatever I want you to know. And I do have it in a medium cap size. Yeah, that is all the details and specs and stuff that I have on this unit. Now, as far as it being tangly and shedding, it shedded just a little bit, not a whole lot, nothing to write home about, but it did tangle some. It is a kinky curly wig, and with my kinky curly wigs, like I always get some tangles. As long as it's not excessive, I'm not mad about it. But if it is excessive, then honey, oh girl, I have a problem with it. But this one was not excessive, but I did want to throw it out there so you can't say I ain't tell you, honey, because I'm telling you now, okay? So yeah, that is pretty much it as far as the details and specs go with this wig. Yeah, so if you are interested in how I feel about it as well as a full 360, then please continue. So I will be adding a clip in here just so you guys can see what this unit looked like prior to me brushing it out and all of that, just so you guys can really get a feel of what the hair looked like. And that was yesterday when I filmed that part. So I've actually had this wig on this is day 2. And if you guys know me, honey, I don't play them games. I don't like this, okay? I do not. But I figured after I was looking at the video, I was like, you know what, you're probably gonna have to re-record that because I just did not like those ugly braids that I put in the hair. The hair I thought was gorgeous. The only reason I wanted to do something different was because I had another unit that was similar, except it was a lace closure. And I wanted to just kind of show you guys versatility. I don't want to just keep bringing you guys the same wig, you know. It was just very similar to a wig that I reviewed recently, so I wanted to change it up, which is why I decided to do this. So but yeah, the unit comes kinky curly. It's really, really nice kinky curly. You know, I love a good kinky curly because it looks the most natural. Even when you decide to brush it out and wand curl it or whatever you decide to do, it still has a natural look to it. And that's what I like. Well, a natural look to African American women, for the majority of us, 4C people, okay? And you know, in the 4 club, I feel like it has more of a natural sort of look to us, like for us. So that's really why I love my kinky curly wigs. Now this unit did come with baby hairs. I did cut them a little bit, and I don't know if I'll show that clip or throw that in here, but I did do that, and I just touched it up today. And yeah, it's just giving me really nice big hair, my little cousin Ashley, my grandmother's type of hair vibe, and I love that about this unit. I think the unit is gorgeous. I have no issues with it whatsoever. I love this color. It's a good, safe sort of bronze color for people who are kind of stepping out there into color. This type of color is perfect for you guys because it also has the dark roots. This is like a good 30, you know what I mean? So yeah, I am feeling it. I love the unit. I think it is gorgeous. Let me know down below what you guys think. Are you feeling it? I also love the hairline. The hairline is freaking phenomenal. The lace is phenomenal. Like, shout out to you, Eayon. You did your thing with this unit. I think it's a look, honey. Okay, so that is basically it. I'm gonna go ahead and give you guys a full 360 and we can wrap this thing all the way. So this is obviously the unit in the front. This is it on the left side. This is it in the back. And this is it on the right side. Now, if the curls in the back look a mess, you guys know I don't be looking back there, so don't judge my back, honey. Worry about your back, okay? If I was going somewhere, I would really check it out in the back, but you guys know. You guys get the picture. If the curls are a mess, it's not because of the hair. It's just because I ain't looked back there and grabbed that hair back there. So, yeah, let me know what you guys think about it. Do you like it more in its natural state? Do you like it more brushed out and curled up? Do you like the fact that this wig offers you some versatility? Let me know down below in the comments. And yeah, oh, also shout out to you once again, Eayon, for sponsoring this video. If you guys are interested in purchasing the unit, I will have a direct link to it down below in the description box for your convenience. And yeah, girl, that's all.
That's all.
So, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions, something you feel like I may have left out there for you to comment down below. And if you're not already subscribed, click the subscribe button, sis. It's not gonna cost you not one red cent. And if you're not ready to follow me on all my social media platforms, I am DizastrousBeauty on both IG and Facebook. I'm held to, not IG and Facebook, child. IG and TikTok. Child, if you ever hear me like a late say IG and Facebook, ain't right. On IG and TikTok, I am held to Missy on Snapchat, and I'm DizastrousB on Twitter. And I will see you love bugs next time. Bye.